I think it is important there are critical voices around theatre that encourage it when it's going in the right direction and perhaps discourage it when it's going in the wrong direction. There's a sense of holding things to account, holding things to honesty, which of course then, as critics, we have to do that to each other as well. But it is about that conversation, isn't it? And it's about, in some ways, setting a standard of conversation. We are writing for posterity in many ways and creating the documentation that will be around for people to see.
Theater criticism, the kind of skills that we're trying to engage people with, are about figuring out how to organize your thoughts and how to organize an argument about a really complex, live, real-time art form. I mean, there's a great quote by a critic, a California critic named Octavio Rocco, which I've always held on to. He said, what do critics do? Well, a lot of the time we travel, as we have both done to be here.
Indeed, yes.
And the longest journey that a critic ever takes is from, I like this, to this is good, right? And this is a lot I've seen in the way that you teach criticism. It's like, we absolutely value our feelings, our personal response to things. But how can we get from a place of, wow, that really appealed to me, that was excellent theater. And that's called being knowledgeable, doing research, building an argument, and being able to stand behind your argument of saying, this is how I am going to, this is the support for my statement that this is a quality piece of theater.
Absolutely, yes.